Welcome to my new video. This video is about creating and interpreting Wilcox diagram. Wilcox diagram helps to assess the irrigation water quality index. When irrigation water has high bicarbonate and carbonate, it can cause soil damage. Uh, High bicarbonate and carbonate concentration makes your agricultural soil hard and compact. It reduces the soil infiltration and crop growth eventually. So it can make your land like this in the field. So to assess the water quality, Wilcox diagram is very useful. To create Wilcox diagram like this, you need to have several water quality parameters, including sodium, calcium, magnesium, and electrical conductivity. So once you measure this parameter, you need to calculate the sodium milliequivalent, calcium milliequivalent, and magnesium milliequivalent. So formula is already inbuilt in this Excel sheet. I am also going to upload this Excel sheet into my YouTube video on the description section. So you can check it out from there, and you can just paste your original data into this Excel sheet, and you can automatically get the Wilcox diagram. So sodium equivalent can be calculated by using this formula. Similarly, calcium milliequivalent by using this formula, and magnesium milliequivalent by using this formula. And sodium absorption ratio value can be calculated by using this formula here. You can see the formula like sodium divided by the square root of summation, half of the summation of calcium plus magnesium, like this way. Now you just need to go to this plot, go to select data, and you need to select on the x-axis electrical conductivity value like this way, this one, and on the y-axis value you need to calculate the SAR value like this way. So when you have selected, your plot will be automatically created by this way. So let's describe this plot. You can see that the most of the sample are fall under the C1S1 category and C2S1 category. So C1S1 category is the most perfect water for the irrigation because it has the very low alkalinity hazard as well as the low conductivity, followed by the C2 and S1. However, one sample, you can see that it fall under C3 and S2 category, indicating that the alkalinity hazard is medium and the high conductivity. So this irrigation water is not suitable for the irrigated land. So for this data, this sample under C1S1 can be used for the very good irrigation water. So this, I hope this video is very useful, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.